Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So it is day 3 of the Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection palette reviews. Today I used the Ring the Alarm palette, which is this stunning warm toned palette here. If you want to see me talk about all of the logistics of this palette, this collection, watch a mini tutorial on this look right here, as well as go through swatches. Make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload twice a week, and that is the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. I am going to link right here the link to the playlist for all of these videos. This is the 3rd one going up, so make sure to stay tuned tomorrow for the final Bling Boss palette, and I'll also link throughout the video the first 2 palettes, the Armed and Gorgeous and the Dark Magic palette. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So since this is day 3, I'm going to kind of gloss through the technical stuff. $49 for the bundle, $15 a piece for the palettes. It does come in this cute little box with a pretty ribbon so you can pull out the palettes. This is the warm toned palette, and I know the Armed and Gorgeous palette also has some warm tones, but this is like the reds and the oranges. Today I wanted to go with like a really red editorial, blown out eye, a little smoky, giant lashes, a little more glam. Tomorrow's look I'm really excited for, so make sure to come back. I am going to go through a quick mini tutorial of what I did. I used pretty much every shade in the palette. I think Boom right here is the only shade I didn't use.
So I started off with Rush, and I took this matte camel brown in the entire crease. This became my transition shade. Then I took Siren, which was a very pretty brick color, and I blew this out all over the entire crease area. I wanted this to be editorial and smoky and blown out, so I did take this everywhere. Then I took those same 2 shades and ran them on the lower lash line and buffed out some black. I do like to go in with the lower lash line when I'm doing something like this because it gives me a little more control. Then I took Framed on the outer portion of the eye and blended it out with Mugshot. Then I took a little bit of Alert and I used this on the lower lash line and in the crease just to add a little more warmth. Then I took Secret and Framed mixed together just to further intensify the crease. And then I blended all of that out and took Bomb Ass all over the lid. Then on the very inner portion of the lid, I took Lolly, and this just gave a really pretty multi-dimensional shift. I then took On Camera, and I hit up the inner corner and the brow bone.
So for swatches, the top row from left to right, it is Lolly, Rush, On Camera, Boom, and Alert. And the bottom row is Bomb Ass, Siren, Mugshot, Framed, and Secret. Now, I am really happy with how this came out as well. One of the biggest issues when you're formulating eyeshadows is reds. These are notoriously, especially like these 2 shades right here, they are notoriously the hardest to get buttery, smooth, blendable, full of pigment, and not gritty. And I think Morphe did a really good job with keeping these shades really wearable and really blendable. Nothing was hard to blend out, nothing was patchy, everything worked really well. Like I said, the only shade I didn't use was Boom right here, but that finger's covered. This one is not. And when you work with a shade like this, it is such a pigmented foil that we all know that this is going to be one of those shades that looks really good and wears really well. So I really did want to focus very heavily on the mattes because those seem to be the shades that are a little hit or miss. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which of the palettes you are the most excited for. And don't forget to come back tomorrow where we finally dip in to the beautiful purple Bling Boss palette. I haven't even filmed the look yet, but I know exactly what I want to do and I am so excited to play with it. So I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!